How to delete Instagram account without password 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to delete Instagram account without password 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is to just head over to our Instagram app, and then from in there we can just head over to our settings. You can do so by heading over to your profile page right here, clicking on the three lines, clicking on settings and privacy. And then from in there you can see this page. So you can just scroll down and you can see all of this page right here. So we can click on help right here, then click on this help center, and then this will redirect you to this page. So from in there you can just search for delete account. So search for that, click on this right here, and then from in here you can see all of this right here. So as you can see, there is this thing right here. So what we need to do in order to delete our account is we need to head over to our Android app. So let's head over again to our settings and privacy, and then from in there let's search for delete, and then click on this, and then as you can see we can just select our Instagram, click on delete account, click on continue, and then you can just choose the thing that you want, click on continue again. Then as you can see right here, they will ask for a password, but if you don't remember your password, you can just click on this forget password right here. And then as you can see, they send an email to BM Friends, to my account, to a link to reset the password. So I just need to head over to my Gmail account, and then once I am on my Gmail account, I can just click on that, and as you can see, Instagram has sent me this reset password link. I can just open that and then reset my password. Then after that, I can just put the password that I want and then proceed to deleting my account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete Instagram account without password. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.